see here, we have a marketing campaign and we analyze the data to see the inside data. As you see here, we have the channel performance for store, web, catalog, and deals. And also we have a spending by broken down by age group and by income level. Also, we have the campaign success rate, and also we have the target here. We broke down also the spending by education, the graduation, master or PhD, and what is the best product we have here. Also, we ran our report. We wrote our report here to the management if they need it. And as you see here, we can choose any country we needed here, like Canada. And as you see, it's interactive here, India, Saudi Arabia, or you can choose multiple items like India, Mexico, and USA, for example. And as you see, it's interactive dashboard. So let's build it step by step and see what we can do here. So just to save time, this is a new one here, and let's show this and start building. Here, let's call it support or analysis. And here also we need a new sheet. This is for the data. Now I need to get the data and see what we can do here. Actually, in Office or Excel 2013, you have to download Power Query Editor. But if you have an Office 2000, Excel 2016, 19, or 365, so it's built in. In data ribbon here, it's get and transform data. Actually, you can handle the data without transform it by Power Query Editor, but this is make it easy. Data from here, from text CSV file, and I need this data here, marketing data. And let's see, here we have this data table, contain ID, year, birth, education, status, income level, and this is the products, the meat, fish, sweet gold, and also we have the channels that we are promoting and selling our products through, like web, deals, catalog, and store. And also we are running a 5 marketing campaign, and it's defined in response or complaint as 1-0, as you see here, and in different countries. So looks good, looks great until now. I can just transform the data, or you can find this button called edit. It's the same. So let's transform it and get it to our Power Query Editor. And as you see here, this is the data. Let's shape it and clean it. All think this is ABC. This is it indicates the type of the data. So here is the text, and there is number. And actually, this is year birth. It's a number here, but this is a number here, but this is not a number. This is a date. So you can change it easily by click this here and change it to date and replace current. As you see it here, everything. Let's change this name to campaign, marketing campaign. But first, we have the year birth here. So let's add an age. Let's stand here, go to add column and date, age directly. Actually, you can do it in Excel, but you need formulas for today, for year, and then to subtract one from the other. Here in Power Query Editor, you can do it directly. And here the age, actually, it's this number, you can't read it. So let's go to duration, and I need it total years. Looks fine, looks great, but still we have these fractions, so I don't need it. Let's change it to whole number, and here let's call it the age. Okay, so let's delete this one and call this age. Now here I need to change this name to campaign, marketing campaign, for example, this one. campaign 4, that is campaign 5, campaign 1, and this one I guess campaign 2, yes, as well. 3, right? Yes, or 2. Yes, and now I'll get back. I'll rename this one just to be readable, so I don't need mint wine or MNT fruits. I'll name it as fruits and get back to you. Okay, and I just renamed this one, like as you see it here, wine, fruit. Just rename it to be more clear. And here's also we have an income, so let's format it as a currency. Okay, everything looks fine, looks great. Now here let's load, but you need to write some equation, some formulas. We don't need it, so it's built-in in Power Query Editor. Now here I don't need this data, so let's hide it. From here, let's load to, and I need to create a connection. Okay, and as you see here, now it's connected. Now let's insert our pivot table and start working. Let's choose external data source and choose the marketing data. It's okay. And we start build our data here. So let's build like this. Here actually we have a channel performance and product performance. So let's see what we can do. Channel performance, it means that I need the channel that we have. Channel we have a store, if you remember, and also we have this one. Actually I should rename this one, but okay. And also we have this catalog. What do we have also? This is 4, and also we have deals, and let's make it as a column. That's it. Let's format the number. Make it as currency. No need for this one. Okay. Now this is the value. Now this is the performance, and I don't need this one. This is the performance for the store, so I can build a dashboard here. But let's build another one, and it's the product. And the product, so actually here, let's add another one. To insert another pivot table, just copy this one and paste it here. And I know I don't need this one. So let's have the products. The products, we have it here. We have fish, we have fruits, gold, and meat. Also, what do we have? We have the sweet here. Yes. The format, let's make it as a currency. No. Okay. And also let's sort it. As you see it here. And here, I'd recommend to rename the pivot table. So let's give this a name and call it, and instead of pivot table 1, let's rename it to channel performance. And this one, let's call it to the product. Okay. Now let's build another one. here I need the total for this one. So let's add a new column, calculated column here, and let's call the total spending. See, as same as Excel, but here it's calculated column. So we need the wine. Actually, we forget the wine here, right? So this is the wine also, we have it here. And let's format it as well. Okay, so let's now add a new calculated field and call it total spending. And this equals to wine plus fruit plus, I need the total spending for all the products. Yes, 6 items. And here we go. We have this total spending for all the products here. Now I need also, what do we need here? We have the channel performance, we have the spending by group, and I need the total customer. Okay, so here let's again copy it, paste it here. Actually, no need for this one, I need the ID. And this is the ID. Here's the ID. As you see, it's a sum, but I don't need the sum. If you remember the ID, here's the sum of the ID, but this is useless number, so I need to count it. So let's go to here and make it as count. And that's what I want. Okay, and also what should I have? The total spend. Total spend, actually I calculated here. This is the total spend, 103.56. We have it here. Also, what do we have? We have the average spend, and the average spend is the total spend divided by the customer. So it will be linked to this dashboard. And now what do we have? Also, we have the spending by age group. So this number, I need to break it down by the age. So let's create a new one, a new pivot table here. And I don't need this one. I need the total spending that I've created, this one. And now I need to break this down by the age. So let's take the age, this one. And as you see here, now this is annoying data, like from 26 till 129. So let's group it. You can group it in whatever groups you want. So I'll group it from 25 till 35, and from 36 till 50, and from 50 to 65, and above 65. So here from 26 to 35 to here, let's go to pivot table analyze and make it as a group. No need to repeat this one, so I need to change the type. So let's go to here to design and change it to tabular form, show in tabular form as you see it here. So let's rename it from 25 till 35. And also I don't need this total, so don't show the total. And now from 36 to 50 to here, let's group it again. This is from 36 to 50. Okay. And now this is from 51 to 65. To 65 to here. Group it. And name it from 36 to 50. Sorry. From 51 to 65. Okay. And this is, let's rename it as above 65. Okay. Now it's easy now to read, Actually, I don't need this column, the age, so let's drag this out, and we have it here. The total is broken down by the age number. So we have got this spending by age group. Now I need to break it down by the income level. So the same way, let's copy this one, paste it here. And now I don't need the age, I need the income. And the same way, we have the income, and you can group it in the better way you see. So here, let's group it from or less than 10,000. So here, from here, less than 10,000. Let's group it. Again, group selection from pivot table analyze, and let's name it here less than 10,000. And also we have here from 10,000 until 50, let's say. So to here. Now here, let's say from 10,001 to 50,000. Okay, collapse this. And now from 50,001 to 75, let's take it. Again, you can group it in your way. Here I need to 75, so to here. Yes. Group selection. And let's name it from 50,001 to 75. Okay, and this is greater than 75. And let's rename it here as greater than 75. The same way, I don't need this income, so let's drag it up. And as you see, the number, the total spending, is broken down by the income. Let's see what we have also here. So we have the channel performance, the spending by product, and spending broken by the age group and the income level. And we have also spending broken by the education. So let's see the which category from the education status is spending the most. So let's copy this one. Again, no right and no wrong in data analysis. It's just you need to answer the question, what is the problem? What do you want to see? Do you want to see the performance? Do you want to see the ratios? What do you want to see? And it should be useful insight to let you take a better decision. So here, actually, the total spending, I don't need this one. I need to break it down by the education status. Let's take this. And as you see here, the graduation is the most category spend the money on the products, on these products. Okay. Also, what do we have here? We have the campaign success rate. Actually, here I need you to focus a little bit. I don't need this one and not this one. I need the campaign 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as you see here, we are running this marketing campaign 1, 2, 3, and through 5, and we have this conversion rate. So 144 customer out of 2,240. So it means I need to calculate the success rate. So the success rate, it should be 144 out of this number. It is a percentage. And also this is 30, 163. But here in Power Pivot and Pivot Table, you can't actually here, if you make like this, and you cannot divide this by this. It returns, and as you see here, it returns the same value. Plus, it's not belonged to the pivot table. So to do this, I need to copy this one and paste it here again. And actually, I don't need this one, sum of campaign 1. Yeah, it's fine. And now let's link this to this. And be careful here, you cannot drag it because it returns the same number. So here again, I need to link this to this number. Okay, and now the ratio, it should be this one divided by this number. See the problem here. When you press this one and you have it here, okay, now this is, it's not a pivot table, but it's related to pivot table, so any change here, it will be reflected here. Okay, so we have created this one, the channel performance, spending by product, and broken down by the age group, income level, and the campaign success rate, as you see it here. As you see it here, this is the values. And also, what do we have? And broken by the education. Also, we have this one, and we need this slicer. I'll take it to the last. Now, let's build our dashboard. Let's go to here, and I need to build my dashboard. Here from sheet, let's name this one a dashboard. And now, just to save time, I download this one, an image. Maybe this one. Oops, not that. Maybe, yeah, maybe this one. Yes. No need for a grid line. Looks good. Now, just to save time, let's take this one, copy this one, and paste it here. And a bit formatting. Okay. Yes. Let's make it smaller. Okay, now it's readable. Now here I need to link this data here. I need to link this one. So here we have a total spending or total customer. And also this one, total customers, and it's equal to, let's go to here, and total customers, this one. Actually, we should rename, okay, I will rename it in the last. So this is the total customer. And let's get a bit here, and this one to here. Also, we have total spending, total spend, and let's link this one, total spend, to this one. Okay. And also, what do we have? We have an average spend. Average spending, actually here should be total spending. Yes. And now this one, the average spending, it means that equal to this one divided by this one. Okay. And as you see here. Now let's give it a shape. Here, let's make it, insert another one to be readable. Okay. And let's give it a white color. and make it bold. Okay, looks fine. Now I need to insert an icon here. Let's choose for the customer. Let's type customer. This one is fine. You can drag it here. Looks fine. And here, actually, let's make it. Okay. Okay, and also this one. For the spending, I need a money icon. Let's choose this one. Make it white. Okay, and I need the average spending, also a money icon, but let's choose a different one. This one is fine. Okay, now looks good. Now let's connect our dashboard or our analysis to the dashboard. So here I need to make this. We called it as a channel performance. So let's give it a chart, pivot chart here, or you can from insert and insert a chart here. So I need a bar as you see it here. Let's hide all these buttons. I don't need it. Hide all, and let's sort it. No need for this sum of, so let's get rid of it. Replace it. I need to replace sum of, replace it with nothing. So just press space and replace all. Okay. And here the number of web purchased. I will rename this one. If you want to rename this one, just go to Power Query Editor to the data here. Okay, and get the data, launch Power Query Editor. Number of web purchased, I need to rename this one. Okay, this one. So let's rename it. Okay, I should do it again. Maybe I took another one, another data set. So I should play with this with it too. No, we have it here already. And yes, this one. We should have web here. Yes, that's it. And okay. Looks fine, looks great. Now I don't need the grid line. And also the legend, I don't need it. The legend, I mean this one. And also that one, I don't need it. I need the label here. So you see this number. So I need to format it here. And this one also, I don't need it. Looks fine. Let's cut it and paste it here. Okay. Resize it. Don't worry about the numbers. I'll format it in a bit. Again, the second one, let's take this one the total spending here, but I don't need to visualize the total spending. So let's remove this one and came to here again, and the insert, let's insert a new one, the same, and let's hide all the fields here. No grid line, no legend, and no chart title. Okay, and this one, let's delete it, and I need the data label as you see it here. Okay, let's cut it and paste it here. Now I will do some formatting after I finish bringing the analysis to here. Okay, so as you see here, the worst is the fruit and the best is the wine, and here the best is the store and the worst is the deeds, the direct communicating with the customers. So again here we connect this one. This I should name it as account ID. Okay, and this is, let's name it as spending by age. And now this one I need to visualize it, to insert a pivot chart and make it like this. It's fine. Okay, no need for the hide all here, and no need for this one. Again, no title, no grid line, no legend, and I need the data label here as you see it. Okay, let's cut it and paste it here. Now this is the spending by group age. What do we still have? We have spending by the income. So the same way, let's insert a new one, and here let's same formatting for all, just for saving time. No grid line, no legend, no chart title, and I need the data label here. Let's cut it and paste it here. Okay, and actually I need this one. Fine. And then we have an education. Same way. No need for the button. No need for this one. And let's get rid of the grid line, legend, chart title, and I need the data label here. It's a good indicator, this one, to see which category is spending the most money. And this is the graduation, spending the most money out of all the groups. Okay, now we are here. Still we have the campaign here. So I need you here to focus. I need to take this one or this one. So just highlight it, hold control and do this. Okay, and go to here, insert, and let's make a column chart. This one. Okay, no need for the hide all, and no grid line, no legend, no chart title, and I need the data. As you see here, if you make a data label here, see the number here? If you see the number, so I don't need this number, I need the percentage. Why? Because this is a pivot table, so it takes campaign one with 144. So I don't need to do this, so let's delete this one and do it again. Let's hold this, hold control and take this one, okay, and go to insert. Let's insert this one. As you see here, it's exactly that what I want. Access. So we keep it here. Okay, let's cut it and paste it here. And to add the target, I'll teach you in a while after finish formatting the table, the dashboard. So here it's up to you to manage or to format the dashboard, but I recommend to do the same way for all the dashboard we have here. So let's insert a new shape. Let's build like this one. It seems like cool, and it's readable. So let's insert a shape here. Let's drag a rectangle. Okay. Yes. And here let's make it no fill and no outline. And also for the shape, looks fine. Again, actually this one, I'll tell you why. This one, let's insert it. And let's format it as well. No fill, no outlines, and let's make it here. Okay. Again, let's make another one. No fill here, and no outline, and the shape should be this one, and now looks fine. Here, again here, now let's make it in design, in format, and no fill, as you see it here. And this numbers, let's give it this one. This one is fine. And let's give it a shadow. Or another one. Let's take this one. Okay, looks cool. And the number here, no, this one is not fine. Okay, looks good. Same way, let's go to here, and no fill, no outline, and I need this one. Okay, this is a normal one, no need for this. And this is the same. I will do the same for all the chart and get back to you. Okay, so I finished formatting the same way. Here, let's fix this one. So just remove this. Let's see, this take to A9. So I need to reconnect this one, total spending. So this one. Okay, now looks fine. Now here I need to do some. Let's open this one. And here's the width. Let's take it 60. Okay. Now it's fine. This is the same. Let's take it as 60 here. And this one, let's make it as... Actually, this looks good. And this one, let's make this one 60. So, yeah. Let's make this 80. Depends on your visualize. Okay, looks fine, looks great. And now I need to add the target here. The success rate, actually I need to add a name for each one of this one. So let's add a name, insert text box here. And here let's call it channel performance. Okay, and make it white, bigger, bold, and Arial. Okay, let's copy it here and paste it. This is the spending by product. Okay, and this one is spending by income level. And this one is spending by group age. And this spending by education. And this is the successful rate. It's a campaign successful rate. Okay, perfect. Now here, and the successful rate, this one, so I need to define a target. So this is okay or not, this is okay or not, this is okay or not, so I don't know. That's why I need to define a target. So for example, maybe the target is to hit the 6% or 5%. That depends on the management, on the sales team, sales manager, and it's a management decision. So here, let's go to here, and maybe we can make a target, type a target, and let's make it a 6%, and you can change this one later. Now here, let's go to here and choose select data, and from select data, let's add a new one, and the series name, it should be the target, and the value, it should be the 6%. Press OK, and here press OK. As you see it here, it's an orange one, and this is the 6%. But actually, I don't like this one, so let's format it. Right click, and here change series type. The target, it should be, let's choose it as scatter, this one. It's a dot. And if you see it here, and that's fine. Now let's, here I need to make it an error bar. Okay, and now let's format it. From here I need to series target X error bar. So just follow me, no need to memorize anything, just to define the target. Let's choose this one, the plus, and no cap. The fixed value, it means how many columns or how many campaign you have. So here we have it 5, and okay, everything looks fine. And now this is, as you see, this is the line. Let's make it white, or white. Okay, and make it thick. 2 is fine. Make it here as a dot. Looks fine. Looks great. And as you see it here, so I need just to make it bigger than this. So again, here's the 6% as you see it. Here's the 6%, and maybe you don't need this one. So let's select the data, and here's the target. Let's edit it, and here, okay, so okay, and as you see, this is, we hit the target for all the campaign, but the worst one is the campaign number 2. Now we have built our dashboard as you see it here. We have built our dashboard. Now I need to make it a dynamic dashboard. So what do I need is to add a slicer. So let's get back to here. And actually I need a slicer. So you can go to insert and make a slicer here. And this is all the table you need. So I need a slicer for the country, actually, and let's cut it and paste it here. Actually, we can find the room. Maybe like this, or maybe you can arrange it in the better way you need. So, but first I need to format this one. So let's go to slicer and choose dark one. Let's duplicate this one to modify it. The whole slicer, it should be okay. The color, no border, and fill with, let's just choose the color, maybe this one, maybe that one, or that one. No, that one. Yes. Hope so. And the header also, we need to format it. The font should be white. No border. It's okay. So let's choose it. Looks fine, looks great. Now, if you press Canada, so just this one, India, as you see, no interacting with the others. So here, let's go to report connection. And I need this slicer to be connected with all the pivot table that I created. Now let's make Saudi Arabia. As you see, now it's an interactive dashboard. As you see, the spending, the total spending, customer, channel performance, all things are right. And here's finally, I have to copy the report. You can write the report or whatever you want here. And again, here's the report. This one. Oops. Yes, exactly. And this is the report. You can find the room wherever you want. And this is our interactive dashboard. And to clear the filter, you just press this one and everything looks fine. Hope you enjoyed this video. And just to notice, this video is not for resale or distributed without any authority. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy and take the best out of this course. Thank you again and see you in another video. Hello friends. So today I'm going to teach you how to build this amazing interactive dashboard. As you see here, we have a marketing campaign and we analyze the data to see the inside data. As you see here, we have the channel performance for store, web, catalog, and deals. And also we have a spending by broken down by age group and by income level. Also, we have the campaign success rate and also we have the target here. We broke down also the spending by education, the graduation, master, or PhD,